everyone, it's Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman, and I've come to you today to talk about a subject that I see so many of us struggle with, and that is not feeling beautiful. I work as a professional makeup artist, so I make up, I don't know how many women every day. I make up a lot of women, okay? And so many women sit in my chair and start to apologizing for wrinkles or their weight that they're not happy with, or their chin is sagging, or whatever it is that they don't like. They immediately start kind of going, oh, and talking about it. And it's amazing to me that we women, that kind of across the board, that we all feel this way. And one of the reasons for that, I think, is the programming through the media. If you go into a store or you're shopping or whatever, the idea is if you feel bad, you think that product is going to help you feel better, and so you buy it. This is fabulous marketing technique. It's done the world over. It works. It totally works. Okay, I have to deal with marketing a lot in my job. So marketing does work, but you have to be able to separate yourself from that and be able to go, this bottle isn't going to make me necessarily feel better, because a feeling thing is an internal thing. It might make you look a little better, but that doesn't make you feel better. And so what I want to address and give you some, a skill, okay? A meditation. I want to give you a meditation to do to help with feeling beautiful, with carrying that essence that we so want to find around us and outside of us. Or maybe if somebody tells us we're beautiful enough, we'll believe it, sort of thing. No, you have to believe it. So what helps to help you believe it? And that's what this meditation is all about. It's a meditation I do almost every single day, and I hope you find it helpful. So this is what you do. You sit down in your chair and you go inside. You close your eyes and you imagine that there's a hole in the ground, in the earth. And you dive into this hole and you go all the way down through the planet. And as you dive down through the planet, all of the goodness of Mother Nature, because Mother Nature gives freely. Look outside, look at the flowers and the trees. Mother Nature just gives them life and gives them water, whatever they need, freely. And that's what Mother Nature, or you can call it God, you can call it whatever you want, gives to you. So as you dive down, all the nutrients and love that Mother Nature has given, you take on your body. It's a wonderful feeling as you dive down. You're taking in all the beautiful nutrients. As you get down into the very center of the planet, imagine that there's a bunch of caves and a big lake, and it's very sort of serene and quiet and beautiful. And you dive down there and you end up in one of the caves. Now there's going to be two lights. So you turn around and there's this ball of light over the water, kind of hovering there. And what you do is you take your energy field, and you wrap it around that ball of light. And that ball of light actually holds the planet together. It holds the continents in place. It holds the mountains, the Himalayas, the Rocky Mountains, whatever it is, it holds them to the earth. It's a grounding technique. And I find that this really, really works for me to ground every day, because so often I'm kind of like, strung out and off running around, okay? So it's very grounding. Once you do that, turn around, and there's another ball, but it's a much bigger ball. Go stand in front of that ball. That ball is the essence of all things good. It is pure love and goodness, and it wants to give to you. Now, you can call this ball God, you can call it Buddha, you can call it anything that you want, but it's the ball of goodness. So what you do is you stand in front of this ball and you take out your little inner child, little Susie or little whomever, and you set her free to run around. So my inner child always wants to put on a fairy dress and get a wand and run around and whack people, right? Because there can be other people in that space if you want, totally up to you. It's your fantasy, right? And then you change into whatever you want that makes you feel beautiful. So a crown on your head, a tiara, you can have a wand as well, a beautiful gown. My gown is normally like, gold or white with gold woven in. I don't know, I've got this gold thing. So you stand there in your incredible, beautiful, higher self kind of appearance, okay? And you stand in front of that pure essence of good and love, and you allow it in. and you welcome it and you say thank you to it. And that is the essence of pure love. And then just let that play out. Like, what does little Susie do during that time? What is she playing with? Is she hiding in the corner? Is she embarrassed? Is she excited? Like, what is she doing? And you give her love from that essence, because that is the essence of love, of course. You can give that to whomever you want. Let it pass through you. Maybe you meet somebody in there that you need to make peace with. And then while you're there in that cave with pure love, you can make peace with that person. It's a really powerful place to put your soul, to put yourself. So after you're done in there, you can stay as long as you want. I've had periodically to go, oh no, I gotta go to work. But you stay in there. When you're done, you fly back up. By now, I'm usually a fairy with wings and everything. I go back up through the earth, back up through the planet, and I go back into my body with that essence inside of me, that pure essence that you already have. It's just connecting to it, okay? It's not like you are suddenly getting it. It's that it's already there. So now it's here, right? Or wherever you want to put it on your body. And then when you come back into your body, you close off your energy field. So you close off your head about 3 feet above, your feet 3 feet below, and about 18 inches around your body. And you hold that feeling of pure love, that essence of love around you. And then as you go through your day, you can give love to people around you. So it's basically like juicing yourself up for the day, for the life. You don't have to pretend you have it. You have it. And every time you look in the mirror, you say, you are so beautiful, because isn't pure love beautiful? Isn't the essence of all things good amazing and gorgeous? And would we look at a little child and say you're not beautiful? Of course not. So it's connecting you to all of those things. It's very, very powerful. I highly recommend it. Please put comments and suggestions down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope this has been helpful. I really want women to connect to their inner beauty, connect to who they truly are. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching.